Hey, what is up you guys? It is Amber here from The Stellar Guitarist, and in today's lesson, I'm so excited. I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song As It Was by Harry Styles. So this is a really cool track and quite straightforward and easy to play. I'm really excited to share it with you guys today. Let's get into the lesson. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you the 4 chords that you'll need in order to play As It Was. And if you stick around for the second half of the lesson, I will also be showing you a really fun picking pattern that is used throughout the song too. So the first thing you need to do is put your capo onto the 2nd fret. The chords you'll need are C major, A minor, D major, and G major. Now, the strumming pattern might seem a little bit tricky at first, but take it slow and build up your speed as you feel more confident. It sounds like this: down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Hope you're finding this video really helpful, and if so, please hit that subscribe button and also like this video. All your support really means a lot and it helps out my channel. So let's get back into the lesson. Right, you guys, for the picking part of the song, we are going to keep our capo on the 2nd fret, and the strings we're going to be using are the G string and the B string. The first bar of the picking pattern starts on an open G. Then you're going to put your first finger in the 2nd fret on the G, and then play an open B string. The next section, we're going to play 4 notes on that G string with our first finger in the 2nd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last 3 notes, an open G string, an open B string, and then we put our first finger back down onto that 2nd fret on the G. So the whole line sounds like this. The second bar is almost exactly the same except for the last 2 notes. So if we play it up to the point where it changes, and the last 2 notes, we're going to put our 2nd finger into the 3rd fret on the B string, and then we're going to play an open B string following that. So the 2nd bar, let's play both bars together. I hope hope you found this video really, really helpful and that you are now able to play one of your favorite Harry Styles songs. If you're interested in learning another one of his songs, I've also done a lesson on his song Watermelon Sugar, so go check that one out. Let me know in the comments what other songs you'd like to learn. I'd be really, really interested to know. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.